Hello, my name is Kenneth Wang, and today I'll be going over this physics problem that is based on momentum, and it may show up on one of your future tests in your AP exams. So let's start off by reading the question. Two bumper carts collide. One weighs 200 kilograms moving at 6 meters per second, and the other weighs 150 kilograms moving at 8 meters per second. A. Calculate the momentum of each car before the collision. So here, I just drew a small diagram. You can see it's pretty bad, so excuse my bad artistic skills, but it's what we'll have to do with it. So we can see right here, 150 kilogram cart going to the right, colliding with this one going to the left. So first, let's get started with part A. Part A, it's pretty simple. All we have to do is just plug it into our equation for momentum. So the equation for momentum is P is equal to mv. That's it. So we're gonna do 150 times the speed it was moving at, so 150 times 8. Oh, that is a really bad 8. Excuse me. So it's gonna be 150 times 8, which is gonna equal to 900, but I'll just do it in my calculator to make sure. 150 times 8, yep. Oh, no, not 900, 1200. This is why we use a calculator. Can't do mental math. So it's gonna equal to 1200 kilograms times meters per second. That's gonna be our first answer. I'm gonna box it in. The second one is going to be of our other car that weighs 200. So it's gonna be 200 times 6, and that's going to be 1200 meters per second as well. kg times meter per second. There we go. And that is first question of our momentum answered.